How to fix Roblox voice chat not working. Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. If your Roblox voice chat is not working, you can actually follow this quick and easy step. Start off by launching a preferred browser and search for roblox.com. If you don't have the application, you can try it this way, or if you have your application, go ahead and launch it. Make sure to log in into your Roblox. Then in your top right corner, you will see a setting gear icon. You can tap on it. From here, head over to the option of settings. Now in the settings in the account information, if you have not verified your age, make sure to firstly verify your age. You can click on verify my age button, then you will have to fulfill the instruction that is either to submit your driver license, passport, ID, whatever that can actually verify your age. Once your age has been verified, you will see the voice chat option over here and you can continue with the voice chat. If you are if you have been verified of your age but you still do not have the voice chat option or still facing some of the problem, you can fix it as well. What you can do is you can right click on your speaker option, then you can head over to the settings. Now right here in the settings, make sure that the selected device is connected over here. That is, if you're connecting an external mic, make sure that it is displayed right here. And also make sure that the volume is at optimum level. Now, as for the input that is a microphone, make sure that you have selected your using microphone and again choose your volume according to your desired level. If you have any of the issue regarding it, you can troubleshoot your input devices by clicking on input devices as well. After this, you will have to give your PC a quick restart to fix the issue. This is how you can fix a Roblox voice chat not working. Hopefully, this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.